Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Claudia's, and today I'm challenging myself to do a one-pot meal with only things that you can see on this cutting board. Yup. So I have over here shrimp, I have coconut milk powder, I have bammy, I have sweet pepper, I have onion, scallion, pepper, and I have some curry powder, and I am also boiling a few corns that I got from my backyard garden, and I'm going to also go back to my backyard garden and look to see if I find any okras. So yeah, whatever you see on this board, that's what I'll be making today. Please stay tuned, and if you have not yet liked, share and subscribe, please, what are you waiting for? It's just a click. Thank you. So I have about 15 or 16 shrimp here, and these are the ones with the tail, but I will not be removing them. I'll be keeping them just as they are. And the veins have already been removed from these, so you can just cook it as it is. So I washed my shrimp twice, and now they are ready to be cooked. So the next step is to just put a bit of powder seasoning, preferably fish seasoning or all-purpose seasoning, and I also add a little black pepper also. So now I have cut up all of my seasoning, and I have the pot on low heat, and I just poured my coconut oil into the pot. So now I'm just going to pour in these seasoning, and as you can see, it's the onion and it's the scallion and the pumpkin and the sweet pepper and the hot pepper. So just slightly stir frying them, and then to this mixture I'm going to add my curry powder. So I just added a tablespoon of curry to the mix. Depends how you want your curry. I like to see my stuff yellow, but the shrimp is not going to look so yellow because when shrimp is cooked it has a pink color. But yeah, I added curry to this. So now I am going to add my coconut milk powder to this mixture. So to the coconut powder I had added some water, and I'm just going to pour into the pot. So now I'm going to add my shrimp. You need to smell this. Okay, so it's 16 shrimp. Oh. Yeah, I'm just gonna stir this over, and I'm going to just leave it over here for a second, and I'm going to go and slice up my bammy, and I'm going to also add the bammy to this pot. So remember, it's a one-pot meal I'm doing. So yeah, I'm gonna fit, and this is the first time I'm trying this recipe, guys, so don't judge me. I'm learning as I go, and I'm trying to taste as I go and know what exactly I'm looking for. So yeah, so I'm just going to just push some of the shrimp aside so that I can make space for the bammy. And I have used 2 bammy, and I have cut like 1 in 4 pieces. So I'm just gonna add it. Looks like I needed a bigger pot for this. So the bammies are in. I'm just gonna cover and let this steam for a while. This delicious. And now this is all done. I've added my okra from my garden and the corn that was being boiled, and the bammy is being steamed because I tested it, and everything is all done. So yeah, I'm just gonna plate this now and enjoy my delicious lunch. So I'm going to just take a quick rush to the back of my garden to grab a piece of lettuce, and this is what my backyard garden looks like, and this piece of lettuce will complete my meal. There it is, guys. I'm all done, and this is what the finished product looks like. This is not just looking delicious, it tastes delicious also. The coconut powder, the blend of different seasoning, it's just delicious. Just trying to get a good video of this so that you guys can see all the seasoning, the black pepper. I need to be here to taste this. Alright, so guys, thank you for watching. So if you haven't yet done so, please like, share, subscribe, and let me know what you think about this meal. One pot, easy to do meal, very delicious.